Okay, hello everyone. My name is Li Chi. Today I want to talk about food waste. Why it's bad for the earth and simple things we can do to fix it. Since this presentation is based on the thesis and the content is very diverse, I will not explain it according to what is shown on the screen. Instead, I will present the information of the three lists together. Okay, let's go to talk about how to stop food waste from hurting our planet. The following are the three articles I found. Let's go to the first article. Okay, life cycle assessment evaluates environment impacts of food waste pathway by quantifying emissions, energy use, and resource consumption across the entire life cycle. MFA. MFA tracks mass flows of food waste through management systems, uh, identifying inefficiencies and quantifying diverted waste volumes to assess environment benefits like reduced landfill emissions. Statistic models analyze uncertainty and variability in waste management scenarios, enabling robust comparison of environmental output across different pathways. Variables and matrix. Greenhouse gas emissions, quantify carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide emissions across pathway to assess climate impact, energy consumption, and recovery. Measure energy inputs and upside to evaluate net energy efficiency. Resource utilization efficient. Track nutrient recovery rates and the landfill diversion. Uh, percentage to gauge circular economy potential. So we can know composting and anaerobic uh, digest, uh, digestion reduce GHG emissions by 30% to 40% with landfilling with anaerobic digestion offering higher energy recovery potential. Okay, why food waste is big problem? Uh, when we throw away food, it go to landfill, a big hole where trash is buried, in landfill and rose and makes a gas called methane. Methane is like a superheat, black meat that makes the earth too warm. It's even worse than the air from cars. All growing food use a lot of water and energy. Uh, when we waste food, we waste all the things needs to make it, like the water farmers use to fruit and vegetables. Okay, part two. What experts say about food waste? We look at three important studies about food waste. Here is what they find. Study one, compare food waste solution. Zero ways to handle food waste were tested. Composting, turning food into rich soil, like magic dirt for plants. Anaerobic digestion use tiny bugs to turn food into biogas. It's like clean energy. Landfills throw food in dumps the water up. Composting and digestion cut bad air by 30 to 15% compared to landfills. Plus, digestion gave us free energy for homeless. Study 2. Food waste in the U.S. In the U.S., researchers track food waste in big bins. They find composting help plants grow better. Landfills waste energy and create more pollution. Okay, study 3. Uh, Life cycle analysis. This study checked every step of food waste, ending from collection to disposal. Effective. Moving food waste around used a lot of fuel. Imagine trucks driving non-stop. If we separate food waste properly, like using special bins, we can cut emissions by 14%. Part 3. Simple solutions we can try here. How to help starting today. 1. Use special bins. Separate food waste from other trash. This helps turn it into useful stuff instead of letting it rot in a landfill. Start more. Start small. If you have a garden, try to composting at home. Makes food scrap with living and soil. It's like giving the earth a vitamin boost. For spot clean energy. Uh, Encourage your school or city to use biogas made from food waste instead of fossil fuels. Change ways. No, not everyone has access to food waste bins or clean energy technology. Some places don't have rules to make composting or digestion mandatory. But every small step counts, even if can't do everything. Try to a little helps. Food waste is a big problem, but it's not impossible to fix. By working together, government, schools, and families, we can turn trash into a treasure and protect our planet. Uh, since this presentation is based on thesis and the content is very diverse, I will not explain it according to what is shown on the screen. Instead, I will present the information of the series together. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Thank you for your listening.